My name is Morgane Eléouët. I come from France, a town near Paris. I did my master's in genetics in France, and I'm doing my PhD in the Aberystwyth. My PhD project is about the genetics of leaf development in pea. When I finish my PhD, I want to continue in research and try first to find a postdoctoral position. I was looking for PhD opportunities. There is a website called findthephd.com, and I went on this website and I found about this project, which was very interesting for me. There was an offer from the Aberystwyth to fund several projects, and I sent my CV. I was first selected, and then I had to go for an interview here, and then I had to be selected the second time. I have two supervisors. They are my supervisors, so they give me advices about my project, how it should go. But also it's my project, so they let me suggest ideas and have my point of view. We usually meet at least once a month to discuss about the project, and we have also more or less once a week lab meetings, and so when everyone can speak about their own research. I work on the Aberystwyth building in the new Garden campus. I use the laboratory facilities, so molecular biology facilities, but also microscopy. And there are fields there and greenhouses to grow the plants. There is a library on Pinglei's campus where you can go to find books. There is also an online library when you can find articles and scientific papers. And on Garden campus there is also a Phenomics Center, which is a big greenhouses for advanced research. I share an office with other researchers and students, and I have my own computer. Once a week there is a seminar either on this campus or on Garden campus. Usually when you are a student or a researcher, you go for conferences either in the country or abroad. If you want to do a PhD, you should try to go to do internships or placements to see if it's really what you want to do, because you have to be passionate about it. And you have to be passionate about learning, discovering new things, and don't be afraid about not knowing everything, because science is learning and discovering new things. I like Aberystwyth because it's a very quiet town, so you can concentrate on your work, but at the same time it's a small community and you don't know everyone. When you come here and you are a foreign student, you meet a lot of other foreign students, and it's really easy to make friends, and there is a good atmosphere. As a postgraduate student, you can find an accommodation from the university, but usually it's a bit less expensive to find by yourself in the private sector. But there are a lot of opportunities of shared apartments, residences. And there is also a postgraduate association which organizes some parties during the weekends usually, so it's very nice.